Hello foodies, my name is Chef Christopher Fread and welcome back to the Opa Vlog, Redefining Greek Cuisine. And today we are live from my studio and we are talking all about the cucumber. The cucumber was adopted around 4,000 years ago and was used not only for eating but also in medicine. The cucumber is the fourth most cultivated vegetable in the world. And cucumbers are often described as fresh, cool, sweet, with a very crisp flavor profile. Cucumbers are made up of 95% of water. The term cool as a cucumber is actually derived from the cucumber's ability to cool the temperature of your body's blood, which is why it is used during facials. Thank you for joining me for a quick episode of the Opa Vlog today. I want to just give a quick thank you and shout out to John Boo's Cutting Boards. These cutting boards are absolutely amazing. Check all the details below. And of course, thank you for all of you for watching, sharing my videos. Be sure to check out ChristopherFread.com. I'm also offering private chef services, virtual and in person, in the Central Florida area. Also the virtual cooking experience. Check that out all on ChristopherFread.com. And don't forget, every Tuesday is a brand new episode. And I'm going to leave you with a question for today. Why did the cucumber cross the street?